Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? Sorry, I thought my window was open for a second. I just had to peek. I want to talk about this statement because I'm going to use this as my statement for the week, okay? Things are always working out for me. I think I may have presented this one to you before. This is one of my little positive pocket books. I'm still on a mission to make those happen. But things are always working out for me. I am going to tell myself that every day. I had a setback and I forgot this. I forgot that this is the truth. I just forgot for a second. But things are always working out for me. Because let's say, for instance, you meet someone and you think they're just the greatest, right? And you're like, things are always working out for me, yeah. And then they don't turn out to be so great, like it's a fail on that one. That's because somebody else is around the corner that's supposed to come through that's going to be way better for you. Because things are always working out for you. So, I just want to make that statement today. Things are always working out for me. Things are always working out for you too. Sorry, got a little close. Things will always work out. We worry about so much. And really, things always work out. I know sometimes we go through periods of pain, or we're bored, or we're lonely, or we're frustrated, or all those different emotions. But if we just remain and know that things are always working out for me. Tell yourself that every day. I'm going to keep this one super short because I think that says it all. Things are always working out for me. I'm going to believe that. Because if I don't, if I tell myself things never work out for me, how could they possibly? It's like a wall. It's like putting up a fence around yourself. You're like, no, nope. So you got to at least say, okay, I'm going to be open to things always working out for me. You know? Because if you're like, things are never working out for me, and you're looking down at your shoes and you're mad and you're like, I don't like anybody, then how can you see the opportunity? You're looking down. See the opportunity. And sometimes when we make a mistake or we have a failure or something like that, we realize that that's just propelling us towards learning and growing and getting better. And sometimes it takes a little while to realize that because there's pain, you know, and we're like, darn, I feel like crap or whatever. Just know that this too shall pass, as it says in the good book. It says in the Bible, this too shall pass. Everything will pass. And something new will come along, and it's going to be things that are working out for you. Everything's going to work out for you. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time on the Morning Shift with Ann. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little subscribe button and hit the bell so you get a reminder when I put a new video out. I do them about once a week, sometimes twice a week. Sometimes I forget, but most of the time I try to get at least one every week. So again, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time on the Morning Shift.